Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova Tempo, and I'll show you how to link or link Google Assistant or HUAWEI Assistant from power button on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to accessibility and features. Then tap here to shortcuts and gestures, and after that tap here to all voice. Now just to use our assistant from power button, we should use the switcher, and now let's just press for a second, click here to enable.
Hi,
next,
I'm Celia,
I agree.
your smart assistant.
Okay, agree,
you can also
skip and done. And now just by press and hold for a while our power key, we can see that the smart assistant is activated. If you want to turn it off by the same way, go to the settings, click here to accessibility, features, shortcuts and gestures, all voice, and turn off the switcher. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.